Good morning. It's time for Precision Talk. I'm Marketing Manager Frank Olmstead with HTS Ag, and joining us this morning, President Adam Gittens. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning.
How's it going?
Going well. It's been an absolutely wonderful week. We're off to a really good start and really excited about all the things coming up yet.
Absolutely. In fact, you started this week out up in Denison. I believe you were doing a Part 107 training?
I did, yes. We had a great class up there, great group of guys. We've got another batch of people that are now ready to go challenge the FAA Part 107 test, and I believe challenge it successfully. They will do an absolutely amazing job. By the end of the second day, they were nailing the questions. They knew the material, they knew how to get through it, they knew what to look at, how to read METARs, how to understand TAFs, how to understand charts, and all of the different things that come with the 107 test. Now, that 60-question test, it's very doable. It's very easy to get through that material and very easy to pass that material if you have someone that can explain it, walk you through it, and help educate you on what is all in that test. But it's really difficult to try and understand all that terminology without any kind of background. So that 107 class that we do, I'm really proud of that class. Of course, that's material we licensed from Sundance Media Group. That is the best of the best. We firmly believe that is the best class available in the U.S. for Part 107.
Absolutely. And in fact, if you want more about drones, we're going to have some more of those classes coming up.
Frank, I think we're going to do a lot of information about drones. So we will likely be doing another 107 class here at our office. We will likely be doing some informational classes around drones, mapping, and probably even some information around spray drones. I think that's such a big target, such a big market moving forward. And there's so much information out there, or lack thereof, around spraying with drones. We're going to be offering that material just as some educational material for people to come check out. So watch our website, look under the events tab on htsag.com. We'll be posting all that information out there as we get a little farther into the year and get those dates scheduled.
Absolutely. And we have a big old classroom now that we have the new Neola office. So we're going to be doing more informational classes coming up in the future. So again, watch the website for details on when and where those, or not where, but when those classes will take place. So kind of switching gears here this morning, Adam, let's talk about Ag Leader and their Right Spot.
Right Spot is one of those tools that I don't think we understood completely when we first saw it, how big of an impact it would have.
Absolutely.
We're seeing that nozzle by nozzle control. And think about your sprayer. Those nozzles are either 15 or 20 inches apart typically. So if we can shut off every nozzle on a sprayer, we now have finer resolution with the sprayer than what we do with a 30-inch planter. So we're doing a better job spraying than we've even been able to do with individual row shutoffs on a planter. Wow. And that's translating into tremendous savings for guys in odd-shaped fields with terraces, contours, hills, and even the flat ground, just the turn compensation that system provides. We're getting better chemical effectiveness, and we're just seeing a tremendous savings from that product. It's one of those really rare products that actually pays you back to run it.
Absolutely. And it's one of those products where you get done and you're like, I've used less chemical and I'm, an hour ahead of schedule here.
Yeah, it's amazing that it can be both more accurate and quicker, but that's exactly what we see with it.
Absolutely. And right now, Ag Leader is offering not a row by row, but a nozzle by nozzle discount of $50.
Yeah, $50 per nozzle. And we can also be looking into financing if that's something that guys are interested in. We can spread that cost out over a little longer period of time or help meet cash flow needs, whatever that may look like.
Absolutely. And there's 3 offers that Ag Leader currently has out. $199 for 3 years, or 0 down for 6 months, or 12 months, same as cash. So kind of an option really to fit any one of your needs in whatever situation you're in.
Yeah, and any of those offers by itself is fantastic, but having the ability to choose from all 3, it really allows us to custom tailor that offering to whatever the needs are of the guy that's looking for it.
Absolutely. So anything else that you wanted to add this morning, Adam?
No, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about drones, sprayers, or any other kind of technology.
Absolutely. You can find all that info on our website at hdsag.com, or you can give us a call, like Adam said, 712-744-4468, or follow us on Facebook, X, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube, all at HTS Ag. Thanks, Adam.
Thank you.